Welcome to the channel. Please take a moment to support my work, like and subscribe. This is the August 2025 astrology forecast and Bitcoin price outlook. August opens with tension but ends with opportunity. The key is timing, awareness, and staying focused on structure over sentiment. The overview. August is a month of emotional surges, temporary misdirection, and meaningful correction. But beyond the volatility of early August lies a much more promising landscape. Once the middle of the month passes, the sky brings structure, clarity, and stabilization, offering Bitcoin the foundation for a more sustainable move. This is a month to observe carefully, wait for confirmation, and prepare for a cleaner re-entry into the market. This creates confusion between perceived value and institutional resistance, while Neptune blurs the signals. It's a climate where optimism is met with friction and narratives become unreliable. Early August from the 1 to 9. Mars in Libra lacks momentum, and these aspects produce frustration. Effort feels blocked or misguided. The month begins under pressure. On August 1st, Venus squares both Saturn and Neptune, but it comes directly after confusion, which means its effect may be short-lived or overblown. The market is reactive, not strategic. Sudden spikes are probable, but follow-through will be weak. Communication issues and emotional trades may dominate headlines, with Bitcoin reacting to surface-level narratives rather than actual strength. But the risk of a bull trap is high. Price action could be fast and persuasive, but not structurally strong. Without real volume and confirmation, this rally may reverse quickly. It's a phase where smart players wait, not chase. Expect volatility and temporary excitement, but avoid confusing movement with meaning. Most technical setups will fail to complete during this phase. This is a powerful change of tone. Virgo is analytical, grounded, and focused on facts. Emotional trading fades. Structural thinking returns. 1. Mars enters Libra on August 6th and immediately faces challenges. An opposition to Saturn on August 8th, followed by Neptune on August 9th. Impact on Bitcoin. In this period, Bitcoin may attempt to push toward the 120 zone, but any breakout is unlikely to hold. 2. Mid-August from the 10 to the 21. August 11th brings a bright spot. Venus conjunct Jupiter, a classically optimistic and financially generous transit. This is not a dramatic event, but a quiet foundation shift that favors wise positioning and trend recognition. Mercury remains retrograde, continuing to cloud decision-making and misaligned timing. Sentiment cools, and actual support-resistance levels begin to matter again. If Bitcoin has held support around 115 to 117, this period may lead to gradual upside movement. Impact on Bitcoin. Bitcoin may surge again toward 120 to 122 on positive sentiment, influencer narratives, or perceived breakout momentum. 3. Late August from the 22 to the 28. Signals give way to strategic momentum. This is where the landscape shifts. On August 22nd, both the Sun and Mercury enter Virgo. Emotional rallies, distorted signals, and technical traps will be common, but so will the opportunities for those who wait. That window opens in the final third of the month. On August 25th, Venus enters Leo, and by August 26th, forms supportive alignments, trine to Saturn where confidence meets discipline. Sextile to Uranus brings innovation without instability. Sextile to Neptune creates subtle confidence and intuitive alignment. Finally, on August 28th, Uranus sextiles Neptune, a rare aspect that opens a long-term insight window. Impact on Bitcoin. After August 22nd, Bitcoin's technical behavior is likely to become cleaner. The late August window is ideal for smart re-entry points, accumulation zones, building reliable setups while price may consolidate between 112 and 117 early on. A more stable and constructive pattern is likely to emerge heading into September. The summon. August 2025 begins with noise and ends with clarity. The first 3 weeks are a test of patience. After August 22nd, the astrological climate improves significantly. The combination of Virgo structure, Venusian support, and long-term Uranus-Neptune insight encourages smart positioning, calculated entries, and grounded confidence. Bitcoin is expected to fluctuate within the 112 to 122 range throughout August, but the real opportunity begins once the market shifts away from illusion and into structure. Share and comment your insights. Meanwhile, stay sovereign, stay off-grid, stay sharp.